Hey guys, it's Amelia with Mama Bear Reviews, and today we're cleaning my car.
I really wanted to get it right.
If you want to see all the things I use to clean my car and kind of just get a good motivation to maybe clean yours, then just keep watching. Okay guys, so first off, let me start by saying my car is an absolute mess. I hadn't cleaned it in a while because I knew I was doing this video. I wanted to make it good for you guys. But anyways, this is basically kind of what my car looks like with two kids schlepping back and forth from school, and all their snacks that end up crushed everywhere, toys, just all the things that end up in the back of the car. And yeah, if you are a mom of kids, you understand my struggle. So I do have a small SUV. I have a Nissan Rogue, and I will say it gets a little cramped in here with two kids and a double stroller, but we make it work, and it definitely seems a lot roomier when it's clean. So we're gonna get that done today, and I hope you guys enjoy.
Trying to find some love in this crazy world. I feel like I was never heard. All I wanted was to be loved. What if I lost?
So I start by kind of taking everything out of my car. That's the easiest way to deep clean it. This isn't just a kind of straighten up your car with me video. This is definitely a deep clean. Get all the things out, scrub the stains off the seat, all that. So I start by first taking absolutely everything out of my car seats and all the toys, blankets, everything gets removed before I get started.
Those ups and those downs is what makes it worth the while. You will make it in time. You'll 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 make it in time. What makes it worth the while?
So once the car seats are out, that is when I start picking up all the trash, all the big pieces that the vacuum won't necessarily get, put all the toys back in the toy bin, which is a kind of a mom hack I have, that I put a bin in between the two car seats so they can easily get their toys without me having to turn around and all that, and then it's an easy place for them to store it. And it makes it easier for the kids to also help too. So you could say, okay, put all your toys in the bin before we get out of the car. So it's just one of the little hacks that I have. But yeah, so I take everything out so I can vacuum everything up. Everything that goes in the house I put in one pile, and everything that goes back in the car I put in another to make it easier. And yeah, so let's get cleaning.
Aren't you tired of the drama? You use your words like they are knives.
Okay, and this thing I have right here in my hand is actually a car diffuser. I got it on Amazon. I will link it below, and you fill it up with water. You put a few drops of your favorite essential oils, and you plug it in to your car USB, and your car is smelling fresh. Or if you have a stuffy nose, kid, you can put some, oils to help that. And it's very handy, very compact, very sleek design. It actually fits in your front cup holder, but I put it in the back because, let's be real, kids are smelly.
Stopping me. I'm bulletproof, I won't fall. I'm bulletproof, go on and shoot me down. I will always get up again. You're looking at me so cold. Get over yourself, are you for real? Why are you looking at me so cold? One's love is now we're enemies. You try to make yourself feel better by taking me down. Once I fell, but now I'm strong. I'm ready for the rematch.
And if you can't tell by now what my favorite candy is, I have wrappers all over the floor about it. So Reese's, the dark thins are like my guilty pleasure. I love these candies.
I won't fall. I'm bulletproof, go on and shoot me down. I will always get up again.
right, once I got absolutely everything out, all the big chunks of trash and toys and all the things, then we start vacuuming. For a big deep clean, I love using our shop vac. My husband got this a few years ago and I absolutely love it. It comes with all these different attachments. It works great for deep cleaning floors and the rugs and all that in your car. So that's what I use. For quick cleans, I just use my Dyson cordless vacuum for like little quick pickups. And I also actually have a car vacuum that plugs into the cigarette lighter for if we're on the go and the kids spill something and I know I'm not going to have time later to pick it up. I will vacuum it up really quick and then it's less work for you to do later.
You only call me on the weekends when you're out and about, only chasing highs. You need me. He brings me flowers on a Tuesday. He gives me good loving, something that I never thought existed. I know what I need, ain't gonna lie. I know what I want, speaking my mind now. A queen needs a king to be by her side.
Another tip I have for cleaning your car or keeping your car a little less gross is invest in some all-weather mats. These mats that I'm vacuuming right now, I've had since I've had my car, like 8 years now, and it's worked great. The underneath the mat still looks brand new. These things work great, especially if you're somewhere where it rains or snows or just all types of weather. It's easy to also kind of take out and hose off, which I didn't do today because it was freezing, but yeah, so it's just easy to clean. You hose it off, let it dry, and you're good to go. And they're like brand new, so definitely worth the investment.
On my mind's everything I like. He can do me better. He can do me better than you. You love me better than you do. Yeah, you love me better than you. It's like we're stuck. You won't grow up, and I'm getting tired of waiting. It's like we're stuck. You won't grow up, and I'm getting tired. I'm tired of waiting for you to make your move. He can love me better than you. He can love me better than you. On my mind's loving's on my mind. He can do me better. He can do me better. On my mind's everything I like. He can do me better. He can do me better than you. You love me better than you do. Yeah. You love me better than you. Love me better than you do. It was a Thursday night when I first saw you. Those green eyes caught me. Yeah, it was crazy. It was a Friday night when I first kissed you. You struck me like lightning. You broke my chains and released me. And days turned into nights on the couch in your apartment. No, I am not the same. Everything has changed. Every day.
Okay, and after I vacuum the whole car, I will do a quick pass of the car seats to get the crumbs and all the nastiness off of both of the car seats. Both of my girls have the Britex car seats. I will link them below. We love them. I've used them for years. They're reliable, they're durable. Like I said, both my girls have had it, and my oldest actually used this car seat before. So they're definitely long lasting.
Every day. Yeah, every day. Babe, used to be scared of letting someone get close without the filters. But
Okay, so this is probably my favorite hack of all. This simple green all-purpose cleaner is like a miracle worker for stain. So this stain, I don't know what spilled behind one of the girls' car seats, but it looks pretty nasty. So use this simple green cleaner, let it sit for a few seconds, and then you actually take this bad boy, that drill you see, we're gonna use that in a minute, and it's really gonna like power clean the seats. And look at that, just with one like rag, it got some of it off, and just needs a little willpower. And if you don't want to sit and muscle it and deal with it, then this next hack is for you.
Every day, yeah, every day, babe. And days turned into nights on the couch. No, I am not the same. Everything has changed. Every day, 24/7.
So sometimes you will have to go back and spray multiple times, but this bad boy will save you all the headache. So it's actually a brush attachment that does all the work for you. I will link it below. I talked about it in my carpet cleaning blog post, but look at that. It just magically disappears, scrubs it out, and it's just an attachment that hooks onto your normal drill that you already might have at home, and works great. Like I said, on some of the really hard stains, you might have to go over it a few times. I just did kind of a quick pass, so it didn't completely get rid of all of it, but it did a good job, and I was happy with the results.
Why don't we say that it's too late for us now? Why do we stay when I blame you for the things that weigh me down? 'Cause in the echo of your silence, I only hear what's best for me. Yeah, in the echo of your silence, I'm thinking more of her. She who wants to study your body, who gets the better version of you. I need the bitter truth. I need the better version of you. I need the better.
So you might have to go over it a few times for the stain to completely dissolve or go away, but yeah, so I hit it a few times. The perfectionist in me was not having it, but yeah, I did it for a few stains throughout my whole car, so enjoy the satisfying view of getting rid of it. And like I said, I highly recommend between the simple green and this drill, it took me like half the time it would if I sat there and like scrubbed. So highly recommend, and let's get some more stains out.
You talk about faith. Is it just something you say? Or is it the same with that girl you texting when I look away? 'Cause in the echo of your silence, I only hear what's best for me. Yeah, in the echo of your silence, I'm thinking more of her. She who wants to study your body, who gets the better version of you. I need the bitter truth.
So these wipes, I love to wipe down the dash and all the console and stuff. I get them when I go get my car washed at the Quick Whack, but you could totally use, just some regular spray and a microfiber towel. I've done that before too, but I had this in my car and I figured I'd use it. They're great, so don't throw those away, or if they ask you if you want one, always say yes and just throw it in your car. You never know when you need a little quick cleanup. Just having wipes in your car in general is another great hack I wrote about on my blog post. Just wipes for sticky hands or anything that you may need in your car. I will link the blog post below so you can check out some other cool car hacks. And yeah, this is the final product of before I put everything back in the car. This is kind of a quick rundown of what it looked like. I got most of the stains out and I was pretty happy with the results. And now it's time to put everything back in the car. So here is just a recap of what my car looked like, some before and after, so you can really see the difference. I was really happy with the results. My car was an absolute mess, and now I feel like I can breathe and just drive in peace. Is anyone else like that? Leave a comment below. If you just, when you clean your car out, it's just so satisfying and you feel like a whole new person.
Dreams still yours if you want it. Enjoy the ride, 'cause those ups and those downs is what makes it worth the while. You will make it in time. I never left a stone unturned, trying to find some love in this crazy world. I feel like I was never heard. All I wanted was to be loved. What if I lost touch? What if I'll never get it right? I try to follow my heart, but I lost it somehow. Wish that someone could say it'll all be okay. Just listen to me as I say, you will find a way. Slow it down, dreams still yours if you want it. Enjoy the ride, 'cause those ups and those downs is what makes it worth the while. You will make it in time. You'll make it in time. Time, 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 time. What makes it worth the while? You will make it in time. You will find a way. Slow it down, dreams still yours if you want it. Enjoy the ride, 'cause those ups and those downs is what makes it worth the while. You will make it in time. You'll make it.
Okay guys, so I hope you enjoyed today's video. I hope you learned some things on how to get your car clean, or I motivated you to go clean your own car today. I will link everything I use in the description box, as well as the blog post that goes along with this video. If you liked it, make sure and leave a like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next video.